2023 Hobonichi unboxing. This year I got quite a large order as I was getting things for not just for me, but for also my two sisters. Normally I would receive just the Hobonichi box, so it was quite a shock when I received such a large box. Everything was packaged so nicely, as I have come to find from Hobonichi. There was lots of bubble wrap to stop things from getting damaged in the larger box that I removed before filming. I like to get everything out when my order arrives to check I have everything, and then I go through each item. Every year, Hobonichi includes a free gift with certain items, so due to the fact that my sisters and I all ordered an A5 cousin, we all received a pen, which I love to write with, and this cute little bag. First I will go through what each of my sisters ordered, and then on to mine. Neither of them have had a Hobonichi before, so they both ordered similar items. Here we have this year's pencil board, which they both got, which I will keep packaged for them, but for a closer look, here is my pencil board from a previous year that I will be using again this year. Moving on, here we have the Dreamy Soda A5 Hobonichi Cousin cover. The colours are absolutely beautiful and the cover is very well put together. The sky blue and almost pastel pink look lovely. The Hobonichi covers always have so many pockets, which I love to keep little pictures and things I use daily with my Hobonichi. To go with the Dreamy Soda cover, my sister decided on the Seasons of Hope cover on cover. This will just add a lovely pattern to go over the blue of the Dreamy Soda cover. As this is not for me, I will just give you a sneak peek of what it will look like together and keep the rest packaged. Now for my other sister, she wanted a darker cover on the inside, so she chose the Mother 2 Strikes Back A5 Cousin cover. This cover comes with a custom protractor, and she also received a clear covering cover to protect it, and she plans on adding her own pictures to the front. Here is a quick look at the Hobonichi Cousin this year in English. I absolutely love the minimal yet information-full design of the cousin. It gives all the spreads that I love to use, but the freedom to decorate if I want to. Included inside the packet, you will receive the planner, some test paper, and an information guide to Hobonichi. They are always so nicely designed and cute little tidbits. Now on to what I ordered for myself this year. Firstly, to hold my cousin is the Velluto A5 zip cover. I do not know if I've pronounced that right. I took a very long time deciding on what I wanted this year, but every time I went to look, I kept going back to this lovely forest green. The texture of the cover is lovely, and I feel like this will hold up well being thrown into a bag. The case feels lovely in the hands when it has the book in it. I am very excited to use this next year. Now I also ordered another cover. This one is also A5, it's the Ohayo in Grey by Mina pahon. I'm definitely pronounced that wrong and I apologise greatly. I've got to say I am in love with her artwork and I already have one of her covers. I know this was released previously, but as I didn't order Hobonichi last year, I missed out, so I definitely had to get it this year. I will be using this cover in conjunction with a Midori MD A5 notebook, which I will be using as a journal next year. This cover has such a lovely squish to it, and I will definitely be trying my best to keep this as nice as possible. This cover will probably stay in my house, and if I do decide to move it, I will probably be putting it in the free bag that we got to keep it nice and protected. Now with this order, I couldn't help myself but grab a drawer pouch this year. I honestly don't even know what I'm going to put into it, I just loved the design. The pouch I got is the Desk Garden and Drawer pouch. It has such a lovely texture and the colour combination just makes me so happy, and it will be definitely getting a lot of use. The last things I got were some stamps. I've recently been using stamps a lot more in my journaling, and I've been wanting the little Hobonichi for a few years now, so I decided to go ahead and get it along with the little Memo one. I feel like these will be getting a lot of use in my cousin next year in the weekly section. That is everything I received for next year, and I'm so happy with what I ordered, and I'm sure my sisters will be also. So that's everything for now. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like it if you would like to see some more Hobonichi content, and I will see you in the next one. Probably my Hobonichi setup. Thank you, bye!